Hello everyone, I Syed Imtiaz Hussain from EC third year of ISL Engineering College. Today I am going to give a seminar on Yagi-Uda Antenna. So let us discuss the topics of Yagi-Uda Antenna. The first topic is we are going to see the basics of Yagi-Uda Antenna, and then structure of Yagi-Uda Antenna, how is it constructed, and the radiations of Yagi-Uda Antenna, designing steps of Yagi-Uda Antenna, advantages, disadvantages and applications of Yagi-Uda Antenna. Let us start with the basics of Yagi-Uda Antenna. So, Yagi-Uda Antenna is a directional antenna. It has an operating frequency of above 10 MHz. 10 MHz is very large. It can be used for a range of 40 to 80 km distance. Yagi-Uda antenna has two types of elements. One is active element and the another is parasitic elements. Active elements are nothing but driven elements, and the parasitic elements are reflectors and directors. Driven elements are connected to AC power supply, and reflectors and directors are not connected to AC power supply. Let us see the structure of Yagi-Uda antenna. It consists of a driven element which is connected to AC power supply. The element which is connected to AC power supply are known as active element, and these are the directors D1, D2, D3 and D4. Directors are parasitic elements because there is no AC power supply connected to them. And this is the reflector. Reflector is also parasitic element. Now we are moving on to the designing of three elements of Yagi-Uda antenna. The three elements are active element, second one is reflector element, and the third is director element. Length of active element should be 478 by frequency, and the frequency should be in megahertz. It is calculated in feet. And the length of the reflector element is 492 by frequency. Same, the frequency should be megahertz. Length of the director element is 461.2 by frequency megahertz. And the main thing, spacing between each element should be 0.25 lambda. Let us see the advantages of Yagi-Uda antenna. It has a high gain about 9 dB. Yagi-Uda antenna has high front to back ratio. It is very cheap, and Yagi-Uda antenna is lightweighted. Let us see the disadvantages of Yagi-Uda antenna. It has basically two disadvantages. One is for high gain level, the antenna becomes very long. The size of the antenna will be very long, and the gain limitation is about 20 dB. We cannot increase the gain more than 20 dB. The last topic is applications of Yagi-Uda antenna. It is used in multiple frequency ranges. First, in high frequency range that is 3 to 30 MHz, very high frequency range 30 to 300 MHz, and ultra high frequency that is 300 to 3000 MHz. It is used in home TV receiver and for point to point communication. Thank you.